Hey, Paul Turley here for Azure Every Day, and I'm here in front of the New York Stock Exchange. You know, businesses today can generate big volumes of data, a lot of data. Well, how do we manage and govern large volumes of data so that we can accurately analyze that data and make critical business decisions? So I'm going to show you some features that allow you to do that in the Azure ecosystem, integrated with the Power BI service.
Now, this is a brand new feature called Incremental Refresh Policies that I'm going to enable here as a preview feature in Power BI Desktop. Now, this is designed to work in Power BI Premium capacity. The way that it works here in the query editor, I define two parameters called range start and range end, and I just give them default values for development. They have to be date time parameters, but here you can see that I create a filter using that as a range, is after or equal to range start and is before range end. Now, what does that do? It actually translates to a native query using query folding. Since this is a SQL Server data source, we're looking at the T-SQL generated here with a date range predicate that causes this query to only load a narrow band of data. And it doesn't matter if I perform steps that break query folding later on, because I've already partitioned my data. Then I implement, turn on an incremental refresh policy on this table. I can do this on all my big tables. And I'm going to say I want to load 5 years of historical data and 1 month of fresh data every time a data refresh cycle kicks off. So that's not going to reload that 5 years worth of data. It's only going to refresh the last month. And then at the end of the year, it'll adjust the historical partitions. But partitioning happens automatically. And as you can see, this will load a very large volume of data in the Power BI service, but I don't have to upload and refresh all of that data every time. So thanks for watching Azure Every Day. Again, my name is Paul Turley. Use the links below to learn more.